Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete Grok chat history, how to delete your chat history here on Grok. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So over here is at the home page, and what you have to do is for you to go over to the left corner. You're going to see that two dash over at the left corner at the upside. Then you go over to it, and over here you're going to see tabs, companions and conversations. The conversations over here is the question, the conversation which you have had with the AI, with Grok AI. And for you to able to delete this chat, to clear it off, you just have to go over to the particular one you want, and you long press it, just tap it for a long, like a 2-3 seconds, and it's going to show pin conversation, rename and delete conversation. So let me go over to delete conversation, and you say delete conversation. This conversation will be deleted from your account. This action cannot be undone. So let me go over to delete, and we go over to the next one and tap it too, and just like 2 seconds, and this will pop out. Just go over to delete. Then let me go over to delete each and every one of them, and that is how you'll be able to delete or clear out your chat history on Grok. And this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.